Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to track your Cash App card if you have lost it. So guys, if you have lost your Cash App card, here I will show you how can you track it. So guys, Cash App does not provide a real-time GPS tracking for a lost physical debit card. So guys, you have to simply secure your account immediately with locking your card first. So guys, open Cash App and tap the money card or tap the money or card tab and toggle the switch to lock your card to block new purchases. So guys, first of all you have to simply block your new purchases, and after this monitor your activity. Watch your transaction history for notifications or alerts if someone attempts to use the blocked card. So guys, after this you have to simply order a replacement card if you have lost it. So guys, first of all open the money tab on your home screen, and after that select your cash card image at the top and then choose get card support or report card issue. So guys, do this, and after that select card missing or card stolen, then follow the prompts to order a new one through official Cash App support. So guys, do this, and after this you will receive a card within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.